Most of the people spend years to studying English. When they have to speak to someone, their mind goes blank. Well, why it happens? It happens because they have been taught to pass exam, not to communicate. In today's video, I will give you 90 days English speaking plan that is about to 100% work. Now you will ask me, is it possible? Yeah, it is possible. But why it is possible? It's possible. One thing that you need to do, you have to watch this video till the end. So this video is about to be insane. So without further delay, let's get into the main part. Now we are starting from day 1 to day 30 called air conditioning. Imagine you can't speak what you can't listen. So try to listen as much as you can. For listening, you can watch YouTube videos, movie, Netflix shows, or there are so many videos available on YouTube. For example, when I started learning English, I used to watch a lot more video. I used to watch Jay Shetty podcast, Mel Robin podcast, Elena Reyes. At first, you can watch with subtitle, and then when you feel now I am able to understand English, then you can watch it without subtitles. While watching video, don't just watch. Pick their word, what they use in their conversation, and write it down in your personal dictionary and use them in conversation and sentences immediately. And in the phase 1, you need to do one another thing that is very important for spoken English. Don't learn noun or pronoun. Try to learn verbs like negotiate and increase. So I mean to say one thing, you need to learn verb. Don't learn noun or pronoun. And second thing that you need to do in the phase 1 is start reading. But what should you reading? You should read according to your interest. If your interest on sport, you can read sport magazine. If your interest on cooking, you can read cooking magazine. And if you want to read newspaper, that you can read it. You can pick any newspaper. You can read the Hindu. You can read Indian Express or any foreign newspaper that you can read. So after reading newspaper, after reading book, you will know how to build a sentence, how to build a sentence structure. If you talk about me, when I started learning English, I read lots of book on self improvement, self development, like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Atomic Habit, Think and Grow Rich, and there are so many books that I used to read. So it will build your vocabulary and build your foundation. Now we are moving on phase 2 from 31 to 60. In phase 2, we are going to do one prominent technique called shadowing technique. For example, play a clip of a native speaker and repeat it exactly what they say with the same rhythm, same tone and emotion. Who want to speak English fluently. So it will improve your pronunciation, communication and train your mouth to speak English fluently. And in the phase 2, one thing that you need to do, record yourself on your phone and play it and watch it. After doing this thing, you will know your tone, rhythm and body language. So this is very important thing that you need to do in the phase 2. Now we are moving on phase 3 from 61 to 90. So this is very important phase of this 90 days English speaking plan. This is very indispensable part of this video called practice. I love this quote. Practice make perfect. Yes, you heard it right. So figure out your practice partner. You can talk with your parents, you can talk with your classmate and colleague. And don't worry, if you don't have any practice partner to practice with, you can talk with AI tutor. There are so many AI tutor available out there that you can talk with, like Elsa Speak, Cake, Duolingo, or I am not recall at this moment. But if you figure out, you will get it easily. So to be honest, English is totally based on practice. the more you practice, the more you become fluent in English or any particular language that you want to learn. And most important thing that you need to do, don't feel shy or unmotivated while you speaking with someone. Making mistake means you are learning something new. You will make one time mistake, two time mistake, even 100 time mistake, but the moment you mistake, it means you are learning something new. And third thing, describing goal. You can describe your daily basis routine, you can describe your future goal, or you can describe your atmosphere that you are live around. You can describe your anything that you have in your mind. Okay, so this will train your brain to think in English. Most important thing that you need to keep in your mind, if you will not practice English, you will never speak English. So practice as much as you can, as long as you can. Approximately, at least you need to do practice 20 to 30 minutes, and gradually you can increase your time duration according to your time, according to your fluency, and according to your base or foundation. So it was the 90 days English speaking plan. I am going to end my video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve their English. And comment below day 1 if you accept my challenge. I will see you in the next video. Bye people.